Hello, this is me making my new space game in Godot engine. Let me first show you how it looks like by pressing F5 and seeing the output. So you see, I have 3 stars and a spaceship that can turn around and fire a jet. And there is the Newtonian gravity acting between the star and the spaceship. Now the idea behind the game is very simple. We will have a universe of many stars, many planets and objects. And we will have a spaceship that we will be controlling. And now the objective is to reach the portals. The whole universe will have several wormholes like portals where we must reach. And we must maneuver between the starfield, avoiding direct collisions with them and using them as slingshots to reach the portals. We will have limited fuel as well as the ship damage that we must minimize. If we reach the portal, our level will be complete. And if we could not, then we will have to start again. The whole concept revolves around a single story that I just wrote in my Google Keep app. The story is really simple. You see, you are in a broken spaceship as Earth is destroyed. Ancients from year 4002 AD warned about a signal they received from the direction of some constellation. You name it, X constellation. The signal famously read this random string. However, the signal appeared to have sent by intelligent life out there billions of years away. In this vast, cruel cosmos, perhaps meeting with the unknown is the only hope, searching for belonging in this harsh space. All our instruments are broken and malfunction, and we, a group of remaining humans on board, must desperately do what we can to survive. So this is the general idea behind the game, and this is how I was thinking of how the gameplay would look like. It will be minimal, showing only maps and stuff like some space demo, and all gameplay is purely on cockpit, like radar, space maps and so on, and there will be no real 3D graphics in that sense. And we cannot travel infinitely, so we must use star's gravity because we will have limited fuels. And there are a bunch of other bullshit ideas that came to my mind, and out of all of this bullshit content that I just wrote, I designed a simple story and a simple game. Now, one important thing in the technical aspect is this glass shader. This we can say a lens-like shader. Let me show you. So I have these controls like this. You see, we have some scan lines, we have the lens zoom, and so on. This makes the game feel a little bit better. So for example, if I escape gravity, so that's all for today's video, and I hope the game will eventually be completed and you will like it. I have made several prototypes of the game before. Let me show you. All of these are here, and the prototypes are just to give me an idea of how I should proceed the game. So let me show you one of the prototype. You might say that the prototype looks better than the original game that I just started, but it is because the prototype took some time to make. You see, there are no stars. In fact, there are. You see in the minimap, there are in fact stars, you see, and one might argue that this looks better than that, and I agree, but the reason behind this is because it is only one day work. So Tell me, what do you think about the game idea, and give me your comments so that I can have some more ideas to work on.